Today I'm gonna show you the fire alarm set from Dickie Toys. In this set you will find firemen and they have their fireman suit, helmet and gloves that are fireproof. We have here fire brigade car and trailer with water pump. I pour some water inside here. When we connect this pipe to the water trailer, we can literally have our fire shut down by water, but I'm gonna show it to you in a few minutes. In this car we have 5 shutters. We have here a lot of accessories like shovel, an axe, and different fire accessories. The same on the other side. And at the back of the car we have here our water pipe. We can connect the trailer to our car or we can disconnect it and it can stand on its own because we have 4 swing out supports. Okay, now we will attach our pipe here. The fireman is ready to action, and now you have to just push this button a few times. Look, our water is pouring out. We can rotate this and pour the water any way you want. After ending our mission, we can take it out and take back to the fire truck. And now we are ready to go for another action.